Okay, another problem. Naging confident ako sa sarili ko. 45, energy to be stored in a 7 kilogram flywheel. Sabi ko na nga ba, yung ito parang major subject to ng mga mechanical engineers eh. Mga rotating wheel. But anyway, siguro yung tibay yung sa inyo eh. 'Di ba? Sa amin parang wala talagang gamit to kaya pala hindi ako naka-encounter ng mga ganito ever since kahit nagtuturo ako ng physics, hindi naman ako maabot dito. But anyway, 45, energy to be stored in a 70 kilogram flywheel. So, may mass yung flywheel in the shape of a uniform solid disk with radius r 1.20. So, solid disk siya. Ganito siya. Ito. Solid disk. Ito siya. Parang ganito pero wala siyang thickness. Wala siyang thickness. Anyway, wala namang thickness dito kasi naka-engrave naman yung mass dito sa thickness niya. But anyway, basta na yung problem. Maximum allowed radial acceleration of a point on its rim is 3,000. Structural failure of the flywheel, the maximum allowed radial, so ARAD, acceleration of a point on its rim is 3,500 meters per second squared. So, what is the maximum kinetic energy that can be stored in the flywheel? So, meaning, yung ARAD niya, uniform solid disk with radius R, 1.20. So, okay lang, maximum allowed radial acceleration. So, doon muna tayo, I do believe, magsisimula ako sa definition ng radial acceleration. Doon muna ako, kasi binigay dito. So, ARAD, 3,500. So, yung ARAD natin is 3,500. ARAD is 3,500 meters per second squared. Yun yung acceleration mo mapupuntang center. If this is your flywheel, diba? Yung ARAD mo dyan is papunta sa gitna. Yun yung ARAD. Which is actually, ARAD actually is V squared all over R or pwede tayo ng V squared all over R omega R. Pwede yan. Diba? Omega R. Then, i-relate natin sa kinetic energy. Itong K is 1 half I omega squared. 1 half I omega squared. K is 1 half I omega squared. Diba? Tapos, yun i-maximize natin sa binigay naman, makukompute natin yung W squared. Yun yung ilalagay natin dito. Diba? Tapos, isusolve lang natin yung I. Madali lang pala. So, 1 half, ano yung I natin for a disk? Punta lang tayo sa mga formula. Ito, yung solid cylinder natin is 1 half mr squared. 1 half mr squared. So, omega squared. So, 1/4. 1/4 mr squared omega squared. So, substitute natin dito. So, dito naman is omega squared is 3,500 meters per second squared all over R. So, substitute ko dito banda. So, you have 1/4 mass R squared. Then, you have a 3,500 meters per second squared all over R. So, magkakancel ako dito isa. So, 1/4 mass ng flywheel, that is 70 kilogram. So, 70 kilogram. Kinetic energy binahanap dito. What is the maximum kinetic? Maximum kinetic energy. So, 70 kilogram. May R pa ako dito sa taas, which is, yung radius ng flywheel. That is 1.20. 1.20 meters. Tapos, meron akong radial acceleration na 3,500 meters per second squared. So, kilogram, oh, 1/2 meters per second squared. Yung kinetic energy is, yes, that is kilogram meters per second squared is Newton at equal yung meter. So, talagang tama na yung kuwan natin. Yung unit, 70 times 1.20 times 3,500. So, divided by 4, that will give me 73,500. 73,500 kilogram meters per second squared times meter. So, 73,500 joules. Newton, ito yung meter, so joules. So, that is 73.5. Parang kailangan ito yung kilo. But anyway, 73.5 kilojoules. Diba? Substitute lang substitute. Mga ganitong problem. Units lang, nagkakatalo na. Thank you guys for listening.